The Clever Little Dog in the Orange Tree by Angelina Dunbar. It was a hot sunny day when Big Gray, a large gray and white dog, walked past an orange tree by the road. The farmers had already picked most of the fruit, but forgot one big, shiny orange, hanging from a low branch. Big Gray stared at the orange. Wow, he thought. That orange looks delicious. He stood on his hind legs and tried to reach it, but he wasn't tall enough. He jumped and jumped and jumped again. Each time, he got close, but not close enough. Finally, he stopped and sat down, tired and hungry. It's no use, he sighed. Moments later, a smaller brown dog came trotting by. He saw the orange, and said, "That looks yummy." He jumped as high as he could. The orange was too high, he couldn't get it. Big Gray laughed. "You'll never get that orange," he said. "I tried already, and am bigger than you." The brown dog kept trying, but soon gave up and sat by Big Gray. Both dogs stared sadly at the orange. Then along came a small brown and black dog. He looked at the orange and smiled. "I want that orange," he said. Big Gray laughed. "Don't even try. I'm a big dog, and I couldn't get it." The brown dog added, "Yeah, we're both bigger than you. You should forget it." The little dog didn't listen. Instead, he looked around and found a short log nearby. He rolled the log close to the tree. Big Gray and the brown dog giggled. "What's that silly dog doing?" they whispered. The little dog walked a few steps back, ran fast, jumped onto the log, and leaped high into the air. Snap! He bit the orange right off the branch, and ran away happily with it in his mouth. Big Gray and the brown dog chased after him, but they were too tired and hungry to catch up. Big Gray shook his head. "I can't believe that tiny dog got the orange," he said. The brown dog sighed. "I wish I had not listened to you, Big Gray. If I had kept trying and used my head, I could have gotten the orange too." Big Gray thought for a moment, and nodded. "Next time, I won't laugh at anyone who is trying," he said. "Their idea could be better than mine." What we learned from this story: don't let others stop you from trying. If you believe in yourself and keep thinking, you might find a way.